did to be able to get in touch with their role as college students? Can you share it with us?
I went to UP. I stayed in one art studies class. And nag-interview po ako ng 4 students and 1 teacher about how it is being a student at UP, how it is being an art studies major. Nakaikot din po ako sa UP. Sumakay po ako sa ikot. Kumain kami sa area 2. So those are some ways na nag-immerse ako.
How was that experience for you?
It was fun kasi parang feeling ko normal ako na tao. I mean, of course, normal ako na tao, but like, when I go out, I don't get that kind of experience, I guess, to be treated like like how I used to be treated before I started doing movies and series. So, parang wala na. It feels good. It feels good kasi ako, I'm the type of person, like, whenever I go out to the mall, I love going to the mall because I go in disguise and I love that nobody knows who I am and I can be someone else. Parang ganun.
How about you, Nurico?
I interviewed some Dr. to the Barrios, which it blew my mind because yung ina-expect ko talaga what Dr. to the Barrios were are kind of different from, really far from what I learned from them. Sabi nila, first of all, bago tayo mag-interview, sabi niya, hindi kami sumasakay ng kalabaw. Sabi niya agad sa akin, ganun ba yun? Okay, kasi yung transportation, kasi I heard that mahirap yung transportation to ride this kalabaw just to get to no naman daw, not necessarily, but sometimes it's very rural, so they need to take bangkas just from one island to get to the hospital, which is like 2.5 hours away. So it's very, 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 very difficult, and they get paid really well by the government. And they stay there for about 2 to 3 years, yung term nila. Dati 2 years, but now they implement 3 years. So yung it's not about just healing the people kasi they also have to really fix the whole community. Diba? Wala silang proper water system, or wala silang, pag may problema sa isla na to, wala silang service or bangka to take them. Parang, so, when the doctors get there, sige, ngayon ayusin natin to. From this timeline to this timeline, ikaw ang, pag may emergency, ikaw ang magdadala. Ikaw naman. So, he's also fixing the community. So, that's why they implemented the 3rd year to really, get more time. And what he said is, iba daw yung feeling, parang even though they say thank you, he saves lives, baliktad daw para sa kanya. Siya pa nga dapat magpasalamat because kung anong nangyayari sa kanya, whatever he, experiences or kung anong natutunan niya doon, he can never experience it anywhere else. And ibang pakiramdam daw talaga. So I think that kind of blew my mind.
Nice. After this whole immersion thing with the doctors and also for Liza when she gets back, you mentioned that you took out college for 1 sem, but you wish that suddenly you got the full college experience.
Yeah, of course. I mean, one way or another, you felt like you missed out on a part of your childhood. Not really childhood, but part of what everybody should go through. But I mean, you can't have everything. Sometimes you have to sacrifice some stuff to be able to, put your efforts and love in other things that you love to do. But I actually started going to school like last year. Sa business naman, pero for some reason, I didn't have the drive, so kind of stopped. So feeling ko sabi, it's not really for me. I really wanted to take up marine biology, yun talaga yung love ko. So hopefully, pag may oras, I mean, in the future. But it's still in the back of my mind, for sure.
How about Eliza? Like after being immersed in here, after being immersed in the UP culture for a bit, and after the whole filming experience, do you wish na parang sana I took this path na of, or do you feel like you missed out on the college experience of regular Filipinos?
Yes, because my best friends kaka-graduate lang. Actually, I still have one that's in college. So yung mga best friends ko, graduate sila, tapos kaka-graduate lang nila. So parang pag nagkukwentuhan kami, parang sila lang yung nakaka-relate sa isa't isa because I didn't get to experience like the normal, the norm of everyone else who went to college. And ako, like, when I think about it, nanghihinayang ako. But at the same time, I'm lucky na I get to work. Pero parang iniisip ko din yung what if, like, nakapag-college ako and then I got to experience, all the hardships that they go through in college and parang the satisfaction of actually graduating. And that's why I'm amazed by all the students, kahit sa ang school pa yan. because I know that it's hard, especially like with all the emotions that they have to keep in when they're at school, and I know that they have problems outside of their college life as well. But it's amazing how they're able to like surpass all those problems and still nakaka-graduate sila. And yeah, I'm just amazed and proud of all of them. So I hope that all the students nowadays, they don't take it for granted going to school, and that pag-igihan, igihan?
Yeah.
Igihan pa nila yung pag-aaral nila.
Tsaka,
And
parang it was like harder before eh. I mean, I think for me it was harder before when you had to stop school and work. Parang iniisip ko, bakit si kuya, yung kuya ko, bakit he's still studying, ako I have to work na.
Yeah.
Yung batchmates ko, nag-aaral pa rin sila, ba't ako, diba? Iba na yung mundo ko dapat, parang I had to feel different, my dad's shoes and work, parang ganun.
I remember also, kasi I was doing She's the One
Mhm.
when I was taking all my entrance exams,
Mhm.
and it was our last day, and I wasn't able to take one of my entrance exams, and I was crying. Remember that.
Yeah.
I was crying because I really, really, really wanted to go to college. Like, until now, it's still a dream of mine. Well, I'm in college right now. But, like, it was always a dream of mine to graduate because my lolo, Daddy Jeff, he always made me promise to him na kahit na artista ako, that dapat makagraduate ako. Because I think that's the best gift you can give to your parents. A diploma.
And last question for me. As seen in the trailer, you guys used to have a relationship, and then 5 years later, you're with other people already.
8
but-
years? About 8 years? Right?
8 years, eh?
8 years.
Ah, sorry, 8 years. And then you guys start seeing each other again. Do you think that's okay to do for normal people? Like, you're with someone else already, but then you kind of meet up with your ex pa rin. Is that okay?
Well, kung yung ex mo, yung great love mo, ano gagawin mo?
Ah.
Mahirap yun eh.
Yeah.
Hindi lang ex eh. So, your great love might not always be the right love, but she's still your great love. I mean, if you learned from your what if before, are you gonna let it pass again? I don't know. We'll see.
You like
After 8 years, you meet up with your ex. I can't say that I don't see that there really is no problem with that, but it depends on the context, I guess. It depends on like the situation. I'm not saying it's okay to like go behind the back of your partner,
Yeah.
but I guess if you're not really doing anything wrong with your ex, and if you guys like had a good ending, like to the point na friends kayo, I think why not? Like, I don't think it's a sin naman to like be friends with an ex.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vanny, from Inside Showbiz. Next po.
Hello.
Yes, meron po. Narinig po namin kayo. Yes.
Hello, good evening. I'm
Hello
Pet
po.
Claudio of WhatsApp.ph. So, tanong ko lang sa Lisken. So, sa movie, si Rap ang parang cheerleader ni Christine.
Yes,
Then
po.
si Christine naman ang parang compass giving direction to the life's direction ni Raf.
Tama po
Okay.
yan.
So, sa totoong buhay in your relationship, so is that true? Or is it the reverse?
I
I
think,
think it's very
Both.
true. But like we're both each other's cheerleaders.
yeah, both. I think both. I mean, we tend to go to each other for,
Guidance.
for guidance, for direction. I mean, who else would I go to but her? So I think we have to do everything. Yeah, I think both. I cheer. Both po.
So how about in being a compass, giving directions? Same din.
Yes, I think when she comes and asks me for direction, I show her, show her what I think is best for her, what I know deep in her heart that she wants. Just totoo lang, just be true to yourself, and that's what I always tell her. Whatever, just be true to yourself. What do you feel?
Okay, so last question from me.
Yes, pa.
Was there like a time na that you were alone together, kumbaga long distance kayo, but you still felt that you are together?
Yes, po.
Can
But
you give the example?
well, a lot of times kasi na kapag, pag malayo kami sa isa't isa, may hilig kaming mag-video call. habang natutulog. habang natutulog, hanggang pagising. Just to, yeah, sometimes, naka-on lang eh. So, naiiwan pagising, naka-on pa pala. So,
No, sadya yun. Kasi, ikaw de-deny mo pa.
hindi nga.
Hindi. Ano po kasi, parang for a time, nagkaroon ako ng phobia na makatulog na mag-isa. Like, kasi before, my brother would sleep in the same room as me. Tapos, syempre, nung tumanda na kami, kailangan na namin separate ng rooms. Parang hindi ko kaya na wala akong kasama sa room. So, instead, okay sa akin, like, kunwari, if meron akong ka-video call, because at least I feel like someone's there watching me in case, like, the boogie monster comes and drags me. Parang ganun yung iniisip ko.
Tama
Okay.
ko yun.
Thank you, Sir
Okay,
Dad.
thank you.
Thank you, po. Thank you.
Ay, sige.
Tindo from Balita. Direct autobiography ba? May parte ba ito ng buhay niyong direct lang?
Ay, hindi po. Nagulat ako. Hindi po.
ang balita!
Hindi po. Naloko ako. Hindi po. Mas nung college years, as a college student, yung feel ng college, yung parang autobiographical.
Direct, bakit na-identify ka ng millennials na wasakan daw ang mga pelikula mo? Yun ang term nila. Di ka nagugulat sa term nila.
Siguro nagkataon lang po na parang, hindi ko alam, feeling ko madrama talaga ako as a person, even kahit hindi ako director. So, when I write, kunyari nagbablog ako, even in college, mas gusto kong masakit kaysa masaya. So, feeling ko na nalalagay ko siya sa mga stories na sinusulat ko.
Yung relationship ba nitong dalawa direct, wasakan o magaan o anong kategory ng dalawa?
Happy. Happy. Tapos, yung merong asaran, laging parang laging under dito si Keme.
Kailangan.
Parang, pero masaya yung dynamics nila eh. Masaya yung dynamics nila. Kasi si Hopi, hindi siya nagpapatalo. So, kaya natutuwa ako sa kanilang dalawa na hindi natatapos. Pero pag nag-action na, action na.
Itong mga bida mo, parehong reluctant artist. Ikaw direct reluctant ka rin ba? Or...
Reluctant director?
Oo.
No po. Since when I was in college, that was my dream, to be a director. So when I graduated, I made it a point na all paths would lead to me making my first film. So,
Thank you po.
thank you, Sir Dindo. Sir Alan?
Alan, stars ko to. Tanong ko lang kay Direk, how part yung life mo, yung college, yung part nung naging buhay ni Liza dito? Meron bang kinuha ka din? Part of your college life?
Yung milieu po ng UP, like pagtambay sa bench, pagkain ng isaw, pag AS lobby, AS steps, pagrenta ng computer para sa internet, yun. Yun yung kinuha ko in general. Yun.
Tapos you work with different love teams, di ba? Not comparing naman, pero how do you describe these two these two artists na bago mong, sabi mo, dream come true to work with them, di ba?
Si Hopi and Ken, hindi nila alam, but they're smart actors. Parang nung nasa workshop pa lang, nung sinabi ko sa kanila na they're smart actors, parang, huh? Smart actors? Parang hindi nila alam na magaling silang artista. And yun yung maganda sa kanila na kaya nagiging maganda yung dynamic sa set. Kasi hindi nila alam na may mabibigay sila dun sa eksena. So kaya nagugulat din sila na kapag sinabi kong good take, that's a beautiful take. Direct, lalo si Ken, direct sure ka kasi parang, hindi parang, yun. Kaya na-amaze ako sa kanila na kahit Liza and Enrique na sila, they still know na, hindi nila dinadala sa utak nila na sila si Liza at si Enrique.
Please, Ken, kanina para kasi nung tinanong ni Chicanes, yung ginagawa nyo alone and together. Ngayon, yung tanong ko, alone, ano yung, kasi 6 years kami magkasama, di ba? Ano yung gusto nyong gawin na alone kayo? Yung gusto nyo pang gawin na alone kayo? Gusto nyo gawin na together kayo na hindi nyo pa nagagawa? First yung alone.
Alone, I want to try traveling alone. I don't know why, pero parang pinag-uusapan namin ng friends ko before when we were graduating from high school na parang dream namin, parang eat, pray, love, to travel alone, discover new things, explore, parang ganon. Together, mag-travel din. Gusto kong, we want to go to South America, Africa, Antarctica, lahat.
Si Ken.
I wanna do together, travel. That's one thing. I don't think I can travel alone. Hindi ko kaya. Parang mas, kailangan ko may kasama. But it's not me to, go alone and venture out alone. Parang mas masaya ka sa akin kapag mas may kasama ka or mas maraming kasama. Parang mas meaningful yung trip. The memories. Doing alone? Mag-CR. Joke lang. Hindi ko alam, man. Do alone. Hindi ko alam.
Hindi mo pa nagagawa? So, lagi ko
joke lang.
nagsisiyar may kasama.
Joke nga lang eh. Ikaw, hinuhuli mo talaga ako, ha? Joke lang.
Si Kuya Jerome ba to?
Hindi,
Totoo
hindi,
sabi ni
joke
Director,
lang.
hindi na nagpapadalo si Liza eh.
Tanong ko lang kasi parang ang
Wala kang maisip dun,
ang cute yung dalawang mag-away, di ba? Ano yung mga maliliit na bagay na pinag-aawayan?
Lahat.
Ginagawa mo ko masama.
Hindi, joke lang.
Pinagtatalunan nyo, pinagtatampuhan nyo na maliit na bagay, pero parang
Normal naman po talaga yun. I think normal lang yun eh. Kasi pag hindi kayo nagtatalunan, parang nakakatakot na yun.
sabi
Ano
niya.
nga?
Hindi ko alam din eh. Ano ba? Parang di ba nagagalit? Eh, ganito. Joke lang. Joke lang.
Yung pag ginaganon mo yung kilikili ko, ayoko.
Oo. Ilang kasi basa.
Sundutin yung kilikili ko pagbasa. Syempre, nakakailang naman.
Nabubuisit siya. Just stop it.
Para naman may
Nahihiya siya.
DO, diba? Hindi, I use Rexona, kaya walang...
Wow! Naipasok din! Yun. Ha?
Ano bang ayaw mo? Ano bang pinag-aawayan natin?
Kasi mga maliliit na bagay.
Nagagalit siya pag umiinom ako ng... pag kumakain ako ng maanghang.
Oo. Kasi minsan matigas ulo kumakain siya ng hindi pwede. Kasi kaka-acid na naman. So mamaya, ang sakit ng tiyan ko. Anong gagawin ko? So, yun, mga ganun lang. Tsaka syempre, you don't want to see her in pain, di ba? So, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
Yes, ma'am.
you.
We're down to our last two. Ayun na po.
Hello, I'm David from Adobers, Fandom Diaries, Philippines.
Sabi ko sa ba? Adobers?
Adobers.
Sorry,
Adobers.